Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download your Turkish Airlines ticket quickly and easily. First, check your confirmation email from Turkish Airlines. It usually contains a PDF attachment or your PNR number. You can print this PDF right away or just save it on your phone. If you prefer using the website, go to turkishairlines.com and log in with your Miles and Smiles account, or simply use your booking reference number and last name to access your reservation. Once you're in, you can view and download your e-ticket directly. Another convenient way is through the Turkish Airlines mobile app. Just download the app, log in, and go to the boarding pass or my trips section. There, you can download your digital boarding pass and save it for offline use. And that's it. That's how to download your Turkish Airlines ticket. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.